Andyan pala kayo. Kumusta mga kabibo? Andito na naman tayo sa isang episode ng The Bibo Project. Kung napupunan ninyo, nandito ako ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3. Maaaring nagtatanong kayo, anong ginagawa ko dito ngayon? Well, The Bibo Project just went, what, great, amazing, and big time this time. Alright? We're going to go visit two countries. Yes, we're going to go out of the country. We're going to visit Malaysia and Singapore. Now, you might be thinking, visiting this country is already a usual thing to do. Pero, ang papasok sa isip natin is, ano nga ba, or paano nga ba natin bibisitahin ng mga bansang right after the pandemic? So, ano pang inaantay ninyo? Excited na kayo, di ba? Kaya, samahan nyo kami. Tara na! We just arrived here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So, anong una natin gagawin? Siyempre, we're just going to buy some SIM card muna so that we can have communication. So, paglanin natin. Yun na SIM card. Let's go! So finally mga kabibo, we're already here at the exit of the Kuala Lumpur International Airport and we're planning kung ano ang una natin for today. And we're thinking we're going to Genting Island. So samahan nyo kami and let's discover what we'll find there. Okay? So tara na!
Lovers sa weekdays, lovers sa weekend.
Welcome to Malaysia! Hi mga kabibo, magandang umaga. We're here again and we're going to visit one of the attractions here in Malaysia. Anong tawag doon?
Genting.
Genting. Oh, by the way, kasama ko pala ang mga kabiba. No? Ayan, hello po. And Genting Island, right? Okay, it's one of the attractions. Kumbaga, ang sabi daw nila, parang pwede mo itong may kumpara doon sa Tagaytay sa atin. And the only difference is that, or one of the many differences is that meron silang cable car. You know, cable car is an attraction na makikita natin sa Hong Kong. Meron din sa Singapore. And you know what, we're very, very fortunate and blessed to have here. We have Mr. Salaudin as our captain coach. Hi sir, is it okay? Ayan, alright. So, we have a vlog, Mr. Salaudin, way back home. And he was very kind to take us there, and he drives very good, very fast. And I'm gonna show you the road. Yeah. How do I change this? This one. Okay. It's camera. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the road right ahead. Okay. Kabibo, dito tayo at ito try natin yung tinatawag nilang street foods dito sa Malaysia. Ngayon, kung nakikita niyo, I'm already on my second plate. No? Now, this actually, each of this, yung siomay natin sa Pinas, ito yung ang price ito rito ay 2 ringgit kada isa. Or in Philippine peso, that's 24 pesos. Ngayon, sige, tingnan natin. Try natin kung may pinakain pa ba yung taste nito or pareho lang. Na natin kung it's something na talagang mauhuli ang ating pag-asa. Kaya natin. Mahuli. So, when you get here to Malaysia, this place is a must visit. You just have to make sure na medyo mag-iingat kasi kahit sa lugar naman, medyo may mga nalalaman pa. So once again, this is Sir Alfred and this is the Bibo Project. Yay!
Yung sinabi.
There you go. Aba.
Gawin mo na, video yan. Video. Parang hindi kayo masaya. Naja, tikit ka po sa kanya. Smile. Yan, wave. Kawaii. Yan, video yan. Big kawaii po. Kawaii ulit.